Install the wheels. Align and connect the two shorter threaded rods by twisting. Attach the assembled rod to the base. Secure the rod to the base using 2 screws. Connect the main machine to the threaded rod and rotate it until it is securely fastened. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the handle holder. The instrument includes 2 spare fuses that can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument in case of breakage. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the filter. Install the BIO handle. Install the hot and cold handle. Install the face RF handle. Install the IRF handle. Install the 40k handle. Install the body RF handle. Install the body vacuum and RF handle. Connect the laser pad cable to the main machine. Attach the laser pad to the connection cable. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. To replace the cotton filter on the suction hole of the vacuum and RF handle, remove the plug from the suction hole, insert the filter, and then put the plug back. The filter needs to be replaced regularly. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. Choose IRF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose face RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose hot and cold on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Select the appropriate mode based on individual needs. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose 40k on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose body RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose body vacuum and RF on the screen. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Vacuum setting. Suction duration, 0.5. Release duration, 0.2. Set the suction intensity based on individual tolerance. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose BIO on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Choose Lipo laser on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the start, pause button to initiate the process. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.